All right, breaking news coming in right there. US President Donald Trump asked the officials to begin the transition process for President-elect Joe Biden. This is coming in after the head of the federal agency responsible for this said that she would provide him the necessary government resources to move into the White House. Trump also tweeted saying, and I quote, "Do what needs to be done," unquote, but is yet to concede the defeat at the moment. Of course, he's allowed this process to take place for Joe Biden only after the head of the federal agency responsible for this said that she's going to be providing him the necessary government resources to move into the White House. Geeta Mohan is joining us. Geeta, the president has not conceded the defeat even as yet. At this point of time, when he asks officials to begin the transition process for President-elect Joe Biden, of course, it is because the federal agency responsible for this said that they would provide him the necessary government resources to move into the White House. That means to move, correct me if I'm wrong, for Trump to move back into the White House. What does this even mean?
Well, it just means that the physical transition will take place come Jan 20th. The new occupant of White House is going to be Joe Biden because Emily Murphy, who is the administrator for such purposes handling the White House administration, has in a statement said that the transition has to take place, and she came to a decision independently. Having said that, like you said, he has not conceded defeat, which means that he is going to continue with the slew of lawsuits that have been filed in various states. This even as states are returning their count and results to the federal agency. December 18th is when the Electoral College is going to vote. So it is certain that Joe Biden now is going to be in the White House and puts to rest, Chaiti, a lot of speculation on what really was going to happen when Joe Biden was to take over the White House and whether if there was going to be resistance, physical resistance on that front. It seems like Trump at least is not going to show any resistance on the physical transition, although on moral counts, he still continues to fight and has not conceded defeat.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Geeta, for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest on this. That's a big breaking story that is coming in after so much of furor. US President Donald Trump clears the way for Biden's transition. And of course, he's not giving up because he's not conceded defeat, as Geeta was just mentioning. He's obviously going to keep continuing and pursuing his lawsuits as well. We'll wait and watch to see how this pans out.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.